In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. And to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it again and tap on Delete. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!